Tom, a curious 8-year-old, ventures into the enchanting woods near his home. As he follows a sparkling butterfly, the wind begins to howl, and Tom realizes he's lost. The forest transforms, and Tom can't find his way back.
Up to this point in time, if you wanted to make AI videos like this, you had two choices: Pika Labs, which is free but restricts the video length to 3 seconds, and Runway ML, which is very expensive. Now, I am happy to tell you, you have another choice. Stay to the end. I will show you how to make longer videos for free. Step 1. Let's get a script and voiceover for your AI short movie. Head over to ChatGPT. Type this prompt. There, we can see that ChatGPT provided a nice script. Let's copy it. Head over to 11 Labs at the link in the description. Paste in our prompt. Choose a voice from the drop-down. I like this one. Keep the voice settings the same. Be sure that Multilingual V2 is selected for English. Let's test it.
Tom, a curious 8-year-old, ventures into the enchanting woods near his home. As he follows a sparkling butterfly, the wind begins to howl, and Tom realizes he's lost.
Nice. Be sure to export it. Step 2. Let's create the AI video clips. Head over to Morph Studios, link in the description. Some advantages of Morph Studios includes free AI movies, 3 to 7 second clips, easy-to-use interface, and HD exports. Scroll down to see samples. Next, join the beta in Discord by clicking here. You will see a pop-up to launch Discord, but you can cancel that and continue with the web version of Discord. You may need to sign up for Discord if you have not done that before, but don't worry, it is free. Start by heading over to the tutorial channel. You will see all the command format. It starts with the video prompt, then you can specify the aspect ratio, motion speed, camera motions, frames per second, and seconds to run clip. Below that you see an example prompt, with all the options shown. Below that, you see specifics of each option, starting with aspect ratio, and the available dimensions on the left. Default is 16:9. Next, you see the options for motion, which express more motion with a higher number, from 1 to 10. The default is 5. Then, we have the available camera motions. You can zoom, pan, and rotate the camera, or hold it static. Next, we have the frames per second. The default is 24. Finally, we have the length of the clip in seconds, from 3 to 7. Okay, head over to the generation channels and choose one. Some are more busy than others. Enter a prompt. It is recommended that you enter many prompts, as it will take a while to generate, and that will speed up the process. Let's use these 3 for now. After they complete, you can inspect them by playing them. You can choose to regenerate the image by hitting this button. You can also change the prompt by hitting this button. Be sure to download the ones you like. Scrolling down, we find our butterfly. Let's play it. And download it. Further down, we see our house. Let's play it. And download it. Be sure to save many clips for our video, and it is recommended that you number those files in the order you want to play them. Step 3. Let's put it all together with our favorite editor. Download and open CapCut, my favorite editor. It is easy to use. Import our video clips and voiceover. Notice I have numbered them. Place the voiceover onto the timeline first. Next, add all the clips. Here is a pro tip: add the clips in reverse order, so they will end up in the proper order when done. Now, let's play the video and test the sequence and the alignment with the voiceover.
Tom, a curious 8-year-old, ventures into the enchanting woods near his home. As he follows a sparkling butterfly, the wind begins to howl, and Tom realizes he's lost.
You may need to pause the voiceover or cut a video clip to align things. For example, listen to this one near the end.
Tom, relieved, learns that the magic was within him all along. He returns home to his work.
You will notice she says he returns home, but the video does not show that. No problem, let's trim that clip by moving our playhead to that point. Then, select the clip and hit the split button. Then hit the delete key to remove the highlighted fragment. Now, let's trim the end of the video timeline in the same way. Now, let's add some music. Hit the audio button. Now search for dramatic music. Let's try this one. It is too busy. Let's try this one. That's perfect. Move the playhead back to the beginning and hit the plus button to add it. Now, trim the end, as we did before. Now, let's lower the volume of the music, just a bit. Okay, let's play the entire movie to enjoy our work.
Tom, a curious 8-year-old, ventures into the enchanting woods near his home. As he follows a sparkling butterfly, the wind begins to howl, and Tom realizes he's lost. The forest transforms, and Tom can't find his way back. A gentle voice in the wind guides him. Follow the path of courage. Tom discovers a shimmering trail and bravely follows it. The wind calms, and the butterfly returns, guiding him back to the familiar clearing. Tom, relieved, learns that the magic was within him all along. He returns home to his worried mom, sharing his adventurous encounter in the whispering woods.
Now, for the next steps. Be sure to subscribe and hit the notify button so you don't miss my upcoming content. Take a moment to drop me a comment, tell me how I am doing, and let me know any content you want to see. Check out our other videos on using AI to make money online. Until next time, bye-bye.